Been a pretty beautiful day so far, and naturally, since I decided to go try and hit the lake for a few minutes, it decided to rain. So we're not going to let that stop us. We're still going to go down here, get our poles in the water, see what happens. And I've caught some of the biggest fish I've ever caught actually while it was raining, so I'm not really too worried about it. I don't know how well my cheap GoPro will fare, but I guess we'll have to see. I finally figured out how to rig up a slip bobber the correct way. Don't judge me. I never fished like that before. I've always fished on the bottom when I was trout fishing or fished in the streams, which is primarily what I do. And I guess it's a form of float fishing because I float my trout magnet under the easy float, but it's different. You know what I mean? It's the same but different. So we're going to try to float a little worm or a jig or maybe even a little trout magnet under this float bobber I got and see if we can't catch a trout. We'll see what happens. Alright, so we made it. It's a nice cool day. It's been in the 70s all day. We had a little bit of rain and now we're here. I'll tell you what, this little $15 reel from Walmart is actually pretty nice. It is doing what it's supposed to do. This bobber still about there. Not sure why it's slipping like that. And we're gonna change this over. And a big red worm. And let's see what happens. Oh, there's a guy right there. Better not throw it right where he's at, huh? Let's go this way a little bit. There we go. We got him. There we go. Nice. There we go. Just like that. Nice size little trout. Just like that. Nice little rainbow trout. Not too bad. Ain't been here long. Just floating that little red worm. Let's let this guy go. There he goes. There's one. So I know my little setup here works. He didn't get on my worm. We'll just push what's left of that worm up on there. And look for the other half. That one already ripped. There he is. I'll kind of thread him down on there. Like that. And that's a lot of worm. Thread him on there like that. What? That works. Let's get back out there. Nah, come on. That's not where we want to be. I want to be out here a little bit to the other side. And that was my first fish on this little Abu Garcia, and $15 Walmart spinning reel on the Black Max that I got in that other video that was broken. I don't know if I talked about that a lot or not. There we go. Hopefully I got all that on video. Not bad, I'll take it. You can see the drag was super loose when I caught that fish because I just bought this. That's the first time I caught a fish with it or cast with it or anything, so go figure, you know. Oh, missed that one. Missed him. That was my fault. That was my fault. Let's try that again. There we go. I'm actually really glad to see that that little setup works, because it's the first time I've ever been fishing like that too. I mean, specifically, you know, with a slip bobber and a bobber stop and all of that. You guys can't see it off camera, but there's a guy beside me. He's probably wondering why the hell I'm talking to myself. Keeps looking over, but it's all in a day's work. Try that there. Fresh worm. Actually, let me show you. Here's my setup. Just a slip bobber with a little barrel swivel, 2 split shots, hook and a worm. Alright, we're back out there with a fresh worm. See if that makes any difference. Stupid geese are trying to come back this way. Go away. Go away, you dumb geese. Yeah, these stupid geese are gonna try to swim right over my line again, I guarantee it. I got him. I got him. Stupid geese. What do we got? Is that a trout? What do we got here? Look at that. Going for trout. And it caught us. How do we catch a catfish? Float fishing. How does this happen? Look at this little fat guy. Fat little cat. Look at that little chubby guy. Look at the little belly on him. Little cat. We'll take him. Let's get him out of here. Well, going for a bathroom break. Come across crap like this. And this. Like, come on, people. What exactly are you doing that you can't walk this garbage over to that dumpster? Some people's kids, man. It's a shame. It really is. I think you just left your whole scarf and lunch laying around at, you know, the community lake. Disgusting. What was that? What was that, a whole 100 yards? Look, there's still half a pizza in there. Idiots. And that's why we can't fish anywhere in PA.
Listen close, hear my soul singing out of tune. And they say you're out of mind if you're out of view. I feel like I'm out of mind and without a clue. And I told my nephew, don't let them deceive you. You don't get another shot, you don't get a redo. You don't get another take, you don't get a sequel. So don't let it stress you, remember to keep cool.
Highlight night skies with taillights. I hear those wolves call good night. I feel those flames burn inside. I wear no mask or disguise. I'm a young gun. They ask me where do we come from? From a place where most people run from. Where the men of the family die so young. So the women gotta raise up the young ones. Good night to the young guns. Mama take care of the young ones. Grow up to be someone. I grew up to be a young gun. Mama cried when my daddy passed away. Then she stepped into the plate to raise a man. And I ain't understand at the time. I was only 10. Had a feeling that my destiny had been planned. I'd be damned if I end up like he did. Faster with the banger than Billy the Kid. Never had a father figure. Only Tupac and hard liquor. Ambitions of a rider. West side. Face first in the streets. All eyes on